Stop letting your crypto profits sit idle. Learn how to transfer that USD directly from Kraken to your bank account, hassle-free. First things first, let's get you logged into your Kraken account. Once you're in, navigate to the top menu bar and click on the Funding tab. On the Funding page, you'll want to look for the Withdraw button. Click on that to initiate the process. Now, you'll see a list of currencies you can withdraw. Select USD from the available options. Next, choose your withdrawal method. For most users, this will be a bank transfer or wire transfer. Kraken offers different options, so select the one that best suits your needs. This is where you'll enter your bank account details. Make sure to accurately input your account number, routing number, and the name of your bank. Double-checking these details is crucial to avoid any delays. Now, specify the amount of USD you wish to withdraw. You can either type in the exact amount or select a predefined portion of your available balance. Before confirming, carefully review the summary of your withdrawal. This will show you the exact amount you're sending, any applicable fees, and an estimated timeframe for when the funds will reach your bank account. To finalize your withdrawal, you'll likely need to confirm using your two-factor authentication, or 2FA, for an extra layer of security. Once confirmed, your withdrawal request is submitted. You'll receive a confirmation email from Kraken shortly, and your funds will be on their way to your bank. Keep an eye on your bank statement for the deposited USD. And that's how you successfully move your USD from Kraken to your bank account, turning your crypto gains into real-world cash.